This is a live demonstration viewing AR instructions in Scope AR's WorkLink app. I can place the instruction on any surface and just tap when I'm happy with it. Or if I want to place instructions on a real-world object, I can do that too. In this case, I'm going to align to this build plate, which is the starting point for this gimbal camera assembly. As you can see, I don't have these parts here right now, so I'm viewing it as a reference to familiarize with the instructions. But once I've got this placed in my workstation, I could go ahead and assemble this with the AR providing the clearest possible guidance on how things fit together. I can understand this process even better than if an experienced assembler was walking me through it, and I can review it even away from the workstation. If necessary, the instructions can include extra images, PDFs, video clips, or animated detail views like we're seeing here. For more serious work, just-in-time safety warnings can be provided, and known issues can be highlighted just prior to when they're needed, avoiding unnecessary injuries and costly rework. The instructions are fully three-dimensional, so I can look at them from any angle, as close as I need to make sure I fully understand what I'm looking at, even if I've never seen it before. I can take my time viewing each step and move forward only when I'm confident I understand or I've completed the step. WorkLink also automatically stores data on the work being done, so any session like this can be looked at based on the user, location, time per step, or even more detailed information can be gathered like sign-offs and safety acknowledgements. You can even do QA checklists or graded quizzes with results that are stored centrally or integrated into your existing systems. WorkLink AR instructions can be authored by your own team with minimal training, or you can have Scope AR's production team generate them for you. If you're interested in seeing what the clearest instruction in the world can do for your assembly use case, manufacturing, training, or maintenance support, visit scopear.com for more information.